Hi all, and welcome back to your channel. So I'm at the pier head, and the QM2 is now leaving Liverpool. See the fireworks going off in the background, and she has set sail. So let's see what footage we can get. I can see another drone in the air by me, so well, it's in front of me, so it's in my shot somewhere there. You can hear it all cheering going off down at the pier head. So I'm going to wait for her to sail past me, and I'll follow her as she goes down the River Mersey. Yeah, she's a big old ship, this one. But when I looked at the pricing wasn't that bad. I think about £1,200. You can get a week on it, going to the Norwegian fjords, which I find there's the horns. Yeah, which I find the price quite reasonable to be fair for this ship. So I'm just going to keep an eye on that drone that's in front of me. Yeah, you can see it in the shot there to the right hand side of the ship. It's getting higher, and it's getting by me now. Yeah, looks like it's dropping down a bit now. I hope it's going to land. Looks like it's coming down to land. So this arrived in Liverpool last night. It was an unplanned stop for the ship. Sailed off from Southampton last night and it come to Liverpool. So it spent the night here. It's been here all day today, and now it's leaving. There's a little bit of a firework display, which I don't think I got on camera because I think I pressed the wrong button. Now I'm all set, I'm all recording. Yeah. So we'll wait as she goes past and try and follow down the Mersey a touch. So it is moving, but it's moving very slow. There's another drone in the air. Right above the ship it is, so I'm going to keep an eye on that, keep out of its way. You can't quite see it on camera. The weather's been quite kind to me as well at the moment. Wind's keeping down, so I'll have a little scan across the city while I'm waiting. Oh, here's Liverpool city centre, all well lit up, all looking brilliant. And here's the QM2 creeping towards us. Hope this other drone stays out of my way. I don't want a collision over the Mersey because we won't get it back. The lights just went off the front of the ship. I might edge a bit closer to it now. Just get a good look at it. Windy over there. Looks really good, doesn't it? Get the city centre in the background, eh? Right, I'm gonna stop it here while I take this photograph. And we're back, just took a couple of photographs there. So here she comes towards us now, so I'm gonna get back around this side of it. Looks amazing, doesn't it? Look at this. Absolutely fantastic. Let's have a slow pan across. There you go. Absolutely amazing sight. So we want to get a bit higher. So apparently it's got 4 swimming pools on this. Don't know if they're all in view. Yeah, there's 2 there at the back. There she goes up the Mersey. Absolutely stunning. There we go. It's an amazing ship. Right, let's get on the side of it. Bring it down a touch. There she is in all her glory. Yeah, it's just one I've really wanted to catch on drone for a long time, and I'm really glad I've got it now. And she's going to sail off up the estuary. So there's Everton's new stadium on the right hand side. She's going to sail up the estuary and into the Irish Sea and wherever she's going next. I'll say this is an unscheduled trip for this boat, so I don't know where it's going next. I haven't checked it, if I'm being honest, but where it's going, they're going to be lucky to have it. Get one last look around the back. Get it all in shot. There you go. So I'm going to switch to a camera. So I'm back again now. I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna leave it to sail off out of Liverpool, and I'll see you all at the next one. If you want to see more ship ones, let me know, or cruise liner ones, let me know, and I'll put them on. But thanks everyone for watching, and I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.